Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to continue our chapter 3, that is factors and multiple. Today we are going to discuss about the prime factor. The factors of a number which are prime are called the prime factors. Factors of a number, factors of a number which are prime. So, factors of a number which are prime is called the prime factors. For example, if we take a number 36, we have to find out the factors. Factors of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. You can also write like 1 multiplied by 36, 2 multiplied by 18, 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9, 6 multiplied by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So these are all the factors of 36. But if we talk about the prime factors, as we have discussed earlier, prime factors having only two factors, the 1 and number itself. If we talk about the prime factor, 2 and 3 having the prime factor. So this is all about the prime factor. We have to take out the factors of a number and then we have to take out the prime numbers. So this is the number can be written, a product is 36. You will write 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3. So this is the product of its prime number. This is the product of its prime factor. Product of its prime factors. So 2 multiplied by 2, we got 4. 4 multiplied by 3, 12, and 12 multiplied by 3, we got 36. So in this way, this 36 can be written as in this way. So this is the product of its prime factor. These are all prime factors. No one is a composite number. All are prime factor. So if suppose you are given a number is there 18, and you have to find out the prime factors. What are the factors of 18? 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, and 9 is there, and 18 is there. So these are the factors. What is the prime factors? You have to take out the prime factors. Prime factors is 2 and 3 is the prime factor. If we talk about the product of its prime factor, you can write that 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this is the prime product. This is the product of its prime. So in this way we will do the prime factors. So if we talk about the 27, you can write 3 multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. So this is the prime factor. This is the prime factorization of 27. If we talk about the 21, the prime factorization of 21 is 3 multiplied by 17. If we talk about the 25, the prime factorization is 5 multiplied by 5. So this is the prime factorization. Next is the co-prime. Next we will discuss about the co-prime. This is all about the prime factorization. Next is the co-prime. Two numbers are co-prime if they have only one common factor. They have only one common factor. If we talk about the number 5 and 12, we will take out the factors. Factor of 5 is 1 and 5. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But here the only one common factor is what? 1. 1. So 5 and 12 are co-prime. If we talk about the number 8 and 15, 8 and 15, factors of 8 and 15, 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 5 and 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. So 8 and 15 are also, they are also what? Co-prime. If we talk about the next, if we talk about 12 and 15, we talk about 12 and 15. So we will find out the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. If we talk about the factor 15, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 and 50. Now the common factor, if we talk about the common factors 1 and 3. So what is the co-prime? They have only one common factor. In this, how many common factors are there? 2 common factors are there. 2 common factors are there. So we cannot say that 12 and 15 are what? Co-prime numbers. Next is finding a prime factor. Finding a prime factor. How can you find a prime factor? So finding a prime factor of a number. So in front of us a prime factor is there, a 60 is there, we have to find out the prime factor. How can you find out the prime factor? 2 divided by 60, we got 30. 2 divided by 13, we got 15. 3 divided by 15, we got 5. So this 5 is what? A prime number. So the prime factors are the prime factors are the 60 is what? 2, 3 and 5. Now we will take another example, 84. 2, it will be 42, 2, it will be 21, 2, 7. What? 7 is what? 7 is prime factor, prime number. What are the factors of 18? Prime factors? 84. Prime factors of 84. 2, 3 and 7. So these are the prime factors. Here you can find the prime factor of a number. Next is the factor tree. Next is the factor tree. So with the help of factor tree, you can find out the factors of a particular number. Factors of a particular number which is given to you. Factor tree. Next topic is we will discuss about factor tree. So the factor tree, prime factors of a number can be found by the factorization in the pictorial form. We call it the factor tree. So suppose a number is there, we have to find out the prime factors. We have to find out the prime factors of 48. How can you find out the prime factor of 48? 2 is divided, if you divide 2 by 48, how much time? 4, 0, carry it down 8, it's 4. 2 times, now draw this. 2 and this is 24. Factor of this will be there? No. Factor of this will be done? Yes. So again you will divide by 2 because 2 can be easily divisible by 24. Yes. 2 how much time? 12 times. Next thing, it is divisible by whom? 2 or 3? It is divisible by first 2. How many times? 6 times. Again it is divisible by whom? 2. How many times? 3 times. Now 3 is divisible by and is not divisible by any number, it is just divisible by itself. So what is the number we got for 48? 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 multiply by 2 is 4, 4 multiply by 2 8, 8 multiply by 2 16, 16 multiply by 3 we got 48. It means our answer is right. If you multiply all these things you will get this answer. So this is the cross checking of your answer whether your answer will be right or wrong. So in this way you can find the prime factor. So what is the homework for today? Do question A, question B and question C of exercise 3.1. You have to do question A, question B and question C of exercise 3.1. That's all for today. Thank you students.